Hello everyone, Microsoft is splitting the Canary channel into two paths, and here is what it means. So the company is beginning early platform work for the next version of the operating system. To do this, the company is introducing a second Canary path with build numbers in the 29500 range. These builds are higher than those for version 26H2, which signals early groundwork for Windows 11 version 27H2 expected in fall 2027. While this might be confusing, it is not new. In the past, Microsoft used to have the skip ahead branch that let users test experimental changes for future releases. This is essentially the same concept, but without an official name. As part of this process, you won't have to manually switch channels. If your device is already enrolled in the Canary channel, the new builds will appear as an optional update on the Windows Update settings, as you can see right here. If the update doesn't appear to you on this page, you might also find it by going to Advanced Options and then going to Optional Updates. Now, Build 29531 is the first preview in this path, and it doesn't include any new feature. Instead, it includes platform-level changes to prepare devices for transitioning from the standard Canary track to the new range. Meanwhile, Microsoft will continue to release preview builds for Windows 11 version 26H1 in the 28,000 series range for users in the regular Canary path. These builds will keep adding new features and improvements. At this time, the company recommends staying on the 26H1 path. The 29500 series builds, which are likely tied to version 27H2, do not currently include any visible features or design changes. They focus on under-the-hood platform work and are expected to be more unstable. The company will publish separate blog posts for each path to clarify ongoing changes. Also keep in mind that once you switch to the higher build number, you won't be able to roll back unless you perform a clean installation of the operating system. At this point, there are no signs that these builds relate to Windows 12. Everything suggests that this is early development for Windows 11 version 27H2. So why introduce a new platform path now? Well, looking at recent releases provide context. Windows 11 version 25H2 is based on the same platform as version 24H2, which allowed Microsoft to deliver the update as a small enabling package without requiring full reinstallation. Version 26H2 is scheduled for later this year, and it is also built on the same foundation as version 25H2, meaning it will also arrive as an enabling package. The introduction of Build 29500 series suggests that releases following 26H2 will require a new platform. That typically means a full operating system reinstallation. That typically means a full operating system upgrade, similar to the jump from version 23H2 to 24H2. It is also important to remember that version 26H1, currently limited to devices with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 processors, already includes platform changes. As a result, version 26H2 won't apply for devices running 26H1. Microsoft is expected to merge these two platforms in 2027, but the company has yet to make the official announcement. And that's it. That is everything that you need to know about the latest changes coming to the Canary channel for Windows 11. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.